This command is going to cover the Drush DVR portion of the Drush Recipes command. So if we open up the help, you can see we've got a lot of subcommands under DVR. We've got start, save, pause, watch, delete, and stop. Basically, you're creating a DVR, kind of like your digital video recorder, except it's going to record all the Drush commands you execute. So I can do Drush at DD1 status, and you'll see at the end it says this command has been logged to the recorder. At any point, you can look at what's in the recorder and do Drush DVR watch, and you can see the commands that it captured. So when you Drush at DD1 DL views, profiler, builder, --y to get a more complex statement. And we do Drush DVR watch to see how it captured that. You see we've got the command was to download, the arguments were this, the option was --y to yes, just do it, and the target was DD1. So I was able to pull all of that out of it. At any point we do Drush DVR pause, and then we could just execute commands that won't be recorded. To start it back up, we do Drush DVR start, and it'll start recording again. So now we can do Drush DVR watch and verify that it didn't actually capture that status statement from before, and you'll see there's no array position 3. We can do Drush DVR delete, which will wipe the whole thing, and so I'm not going to do that this time. Or we can do Drush DVR delete -- command equals, and we'll do 2, so that'll be, oops, 2, which would be array position 2. Verify if you want to actually get rid of array position 2. In this case, I'm going to say no for the time being. Another way we can call this is we do Drush DVR delete -- command equals pm -download. And this will find everything that's a command pm download and then ask me if I want to delete it from the history. So in this case, we'll do it. We can do Drush DVR watch to verify that I got rid of it. See, we have these other ones in here. And so I can use the same command to get rid of this help here that I don't want. It'll ask me, hey, array position 0, we found this command, do you want to get rid of it? Yes. And then we can do Drush DVR watch again and see that we're down to just the core status statement. So we've done pausing, we've done watching, we've done deleting, we've done starting, we haven't done save. So let's do Drush DVR save. And how this is different from stopping is saving is still going to keep recording after the fact. So enter a machine name, test thing, test, go through that. We're going to save this as JSON, and we're going to print it to the screen so we don't have this file. And you'll see you get the commands that were issued before in your DVR, but they're captured here. If I do Drush status now, because I did save instead of stop, it hasn't stopped recording. So it just is kind of that you pick a point and you dump it out to the screen or whatever. You can also use this with the test run option that's kind of throughout Drush Recipes. So I can do Drush DVR and then save -- test run, and that will quickly give me an example of what it was about to kick out. See, so that's what's currently saved. We can do the same thing with stopping. So we could do Drush DVR stop -- test run. And now we've stopped recording, because if I do Drush status, see, it's not giving my command recordings any further. But we can see that if it was to actually save it, it would have executed this. So you can see how, if you're really lazy, you can kind of string together a whole bunch of commands by just turning the recorder on first. It's a really good way of getting really complex commands added in, although obviously you don't get any of the conditionals or the mad-libbing, if you will, in this. But it's a good way of generating a really long recipe pretty quickly.